Hey everyone, today we're going to be taking a look at some stunning handmade knives by Jurgen Schanz that you can get your hands on over at knifecenter.com. Jurgen Schanz is a custom knife maker from Germany, best known for winning the Bundessieger Handwerk Award for Best Handmade Knife Produced by a Journeyman, meaning that even before it was his profession, Schanz was producing top-of-the-line art knives with performance just as stellar as the looks. His expertise ranges from tactical fixed blades to historical blades, folders, and even swords, showing proficiency in every genre he works in. Schanz has a flair for the dramatic and an eye for style. His design lines flow smoothly and always seem to be on point with both ergonomic and aesthetic marks. His DPPK Series is a great example of form and function working in unison. The knives feature eye-catching face scales made from either milled G10 or strikingly beautiful rainbow titanium laminate, paired with a media-blasted titanium frame lock on the back. The blades also come in two different flavors. The drop point blade can be found in both a highly durable Niolox steel or beautifully hand-forged Damascus. The thumb hole on the blade makes opening this knife a breeze, which is great because with a knife this good looking, you'll want to be able to show it off to your blade-loving friends. To get your hands on one of these gorgeous knives from Schanz, be sure to click the link in the description below. And if you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe to keep up with all our knife-related content, and in the meantime, make sure to visit the original and best online catalog of cutlery at knifecenter.com, and check back often to see what deals we're running on the best knives and tools on the web.